So welcome to my video. Today we're going to be unboxing Montessori Rattle. I did order it off of Amazon. The cost was about under $15. This is the little nice cardboard box it comes in. It's by Jam Naturals. Classic Baby Rattle. They have a website, jamnaturals.com. A portion of the proceeds from this product goes towards charity helping women and children. That's always nice. Inspire curiosity and encourage your baby's development through play. This lightweight baby rattle is the perfect all-natural and eco-friendly toy for your babies and toddlers to enjoy. This one's very important. All products are made from all-natural materials free from any BPA, PVC, lead, or phthalates, and it's 100% biodegradable, leaving no harm to our ecosystems or environment. And it can also be used as a teether as well, so that's nice. And the company's based in San Jose, California. So I'll go ahead and take it out of the box now. And there you go. It's a nice little rattle. I do like it because it's made of wood. It's not plastic, so I don't have to worry about a bunch of bad chemicals going to my baby's mouth. It's more natural. I think my baby will really like the rings that it comes with. And it's very cute, so I like it. It looks very nice. It'll look nice in the nursery. So there's my unboxing video.